That plan announced today by the Department of Health and Senior Services, it will push a majority of vaccine distribution toward hospitals across the state. 41 Action News reporter Andres Gutierrez shares how it works and what this means for hospitals right here in the metro.
Missouri is rolling out a plan to inoculate those who are eligible on a large scale, choosing 9 hospitals and healthcare systems in our region to administer a portion of their 76,000 weekly doses this month.
This is the first time we've actually known exactly how much vaccine that we're going to get at any given time.
The announcement came as the CEO of Truman Medical Centers explained to Jackson County lawmakers how the hospital's limited vaccine supply forced them to cancel upcoming appointments.
We may be dark for tomorrow, and we think we'll get this shipment of 5,000 either late tomorrow or early Wednesday, and we'll be able to start back up.
Under the new plan, Truman Medical Centers, Liberty Hospital, and North Kansas City Hospital will get their doses this week and on the 3rd week of the month.
It's been frustrating with the lack of supply, been the unpredictability of the supply, but I do think the state has put forward a solid plan.
Hospitals in Sedalia, Harrisonville, Marshall, and Clinton, as well as the HCA and St. Luke's health systems, will get their vials on the 2nd and 4th week.
We have names and we have people that are scheduled all the way into March, so that is subject to availability of vaccines. So as fast as we can get vaccine in, we will actually immunize people.
Truman Medical Center encourages people who can get the vaccine to call and set up an appointment, but be patient. At their site, there are about 35 call takers handling 4,000 to 5,000 calls every day.
People may get a busy signal, and we ask them to keep calling back.
The Missouri Hospital Association said that those that were chosen have the ability to administer at least 5,000 doses a week. Institutions that may make the cut this time may be considered during the next round. In Kansas City, Andres Gutierrez, 41 Action News.
With this news, local health departments are slated to get a very limited portion of the vaccine allotment. The Kansas City Health Department says this news does not deter them from their mission, adding in a statement, quote, "We will be focused on getting our limited supply to populations and demographics that have suffered the most during this pandemic."